If your iPhone turns off unexpectedly, try these quick fixes. First, update iOS, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Next, check Battery Health, Settings, Battery Health. If maximum capacity is under 80% or it shows service, the battery may need replacing. Disable Background App Refresh for apps that drain power. Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Tap individual apps and switch Background App Refresh off for problem apps. If problems continue, reset System Settings, Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. This keeps your data but restores defaults like Wi-Fi and privacy settings. Also use low power mode, avoid extreme temperatures, and keep apps updated. Quick checklist: update iOS, check battery health, disable background refresh, reset settings if needed. Still happening? Back up your iPhone and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. For help, visit support.apple.com or call Apple support. That's your quick troubleshooting checklist.